If you want to screen record with or without microphone on iPhone 16e, so first of all swipe down from the top of your screen to open up your control center. Now hold your finger on the empty space and press add control. Now we gotta find our screen record. Let's add it up here. Now let's tap on it. And the screen record will start. By the default, it records without any sound. So when you're done, to stop it, tap on this red icon at the top left corner and press stop. So if you want to have your sound, once again, swipe down from the top of the screen, hold this icon, and choose your microphone option. Let me show it to you. As you see, microphone is on now, and our video will have a sound. So let me stop the recording again, and let's open up our gallery to find the latest recording with the sound. As you see, microphone is on now, and our video will have. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.